Hey, it's John the Net Guy, and this is the solar outdoor waterproof IP wireless camera, battery powered, from the BG Angel Company. We're going to do a quick unboxing today, and I'm going to show you how you get it set up. We're going to test it out together, and I'll tell you what I think about it. Right away, I see a drill template here, so that's great. That's probably for the solar panel, it looks like, and for the mount. There's a quick start guide right up top, a separate guide for the solar panel, which is important. I like the idea that this is solar powered, so you don't have to worry about having power. Now, that solar panel pops right out of there. It's got a fairly long cord. We'll take a look at the specs and see what that is. And it's one of the newer style solar panels. I really like this. So it's not as fragile, and it's designed to pick up light in a wider pattern, so that's cool. Very simple mount here for your solar panel. Looks like there's going to be a power or charging cable here. This is battery powered, but you still need that initial charge up, and they include a couple screw kits here. So that's going to be a USB Type-C and to USB-A. I like that because it's using current technology. And this is the gasketed plug, is also a USB Type-C on the solar panel. This is the base unit here. I like the fact that it's upside down. This is also going to be pan tiltable, which is pretty cool. And then this is the solar camera unit itself. Now you can move the antennas up and around here. I like this. It's got an open and closed indicator, so when you go ahead and put this on, you can turn it to lock. So it's going to lock in position, but if you need to do any maintenance, you can turn it off that way. Looks like there's where your plug comes in the back. I'm just looking real quick to see, yep, on the bottom here, most likely where your MicroSD goes in. There you go, your setup buttons and your MicroSD. Does have pan tilt capability. This would be a great little eye in the sky. Also has, looks like night vision IR, as well as a spotlight. So lots of really cool features. I'm excited to test this thing out. So that's everything in the box. Let's go ahead and plug it in. Now, it doesn't come with a micro SD, but you can pick those up pretty easily, and it does support a very large micro SD, so you kind of have your own storage solution there. So there's the charge indication, there's the power button. So the way that you install the app is pretty straightforward. Just open up your camera, scan whatever QR code is appropriate. Once you have the app installed, you'll open it up and go ahead and log in. I do like the fact that it can use my Apple ID and my touch capability to log into the application. I'm going to simply hit add device here. So we do want to completely charge it up, it looks like. Don't face it to an outdoor area where it's crowded, and you want a 15-degree down inclination here. So the nice thing about this thing being completely solar powered is you're not going to have issues of having to charge it up all the time, so that's pretty cool. That's the first look at the video output of it. It does have a little bit of distortion, and that's because of the wide angle field of view. I definitely like that. You can see how far out this thing reaches field of view wise. So that's my hand, and it's almost literally perpendicular to this thing, and it's reaching out, so I would say at least 130-degree field of view. I'm going to go install this thing outside. I'm going to talk you through all of the steps, as well as we'll look at some sample video footage from day and night, and then we'll get back here.
Hey, can you hear me?
We're taking a look at the wireless battery-powered solar panel-based home security system from the BG Angel Company. Now, this is a pan tilt capable camera, so I can pan and tilt this thing around once it's mounted, which is something I really like. There you go. You can see it moving around here in my hand. I am not moving the turret by hand. It's actually moving the turret electronically here with my phone. I can tilt it down as well. So you get that full field of view and that capability right out of this simple unit. What do I like about it? Well, obviously the picture quality is good, as I mentioned before. The price on this one is very competitive for other items in their field. I do like the solar panel and the quality that provides, and I want to thank them for, again, sending this product for a fair and honest review. This is their solar battery-powered wireless IP camera, and now you know.